If you need a dependable locksmith who responds quickly to your needs with fair pricing and years of experience, give us a call. We serve residential customers, commercial customers, and motorists. Homeowners use our services to help unlock doors if you have locked yourself out. Rekey locks, install deadbolts and peepholes, gate locks, installation and service of safes, and we can adjust your locks to be sure everything is working properly. Our business customers call us for lockouts. Rekey locks, install hardware including door closures, safe and vault installation and service, and much more. And for your car, we can help you with lockouts, key duplication, key replacement, and key extraction. One call is all you need to make, and we'll be on the job. Have an emergency? We're here to help you.